Yep, there's Part-2 cheese. It's Route 1. CBS. Yes, here we are in North Brunswick, Governor's Point. The day after the blizzard. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, yes. And the worst has arrived, but still more to come. So as you see around you, the trucks working to clear the lots. It's so cold. And look at the geese in the pond. The pond is frozen. Yes. Look at all the snow. Woo! It's 22 degrees now. Yes. Very bad, very bad. There's the entrance to Governor's Point up ahead. And look at all the geese. The pond is frozen. And there's only one sign posted: for sale only.